Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can use this Philips L'OR Sublime Compact. You might have come across it in an Airbnb and you're not sure how to use it. The first thing to do is take the water off the back to put fresh water in, because you really don't know how long this water's been there. Also, you want to rinse it through once as well, because it might not have been used in a month or so. Obviously, you don't have to rinse it every time, just the first time you use it. To take the water off, we just need to lift it up. There's a little guide here that it goes down, and we're going to empty out this water and we're going to fill it with fresh drinking water. And to put it on, you just need to slide it from here. There's a little guide that brings it down, like so, and make sure it's fully home and put the lid back on. So now we're going to plug it into the mains. Might already be plugged in, and we just want to rinse it out to begin with. So let's take out this little drip tray, put this here, and we're going to hit this button on the right hand side here. And it's just going to bring through some water. We haven't got any pods or anything in at the moment. It's just going to flush through some water. So it's flushing at the moment. It's going to take a little while to heat up, and then the pump will kick in and bring out some water. You only need to do this the first time, just to make sure that the inside's clean. Right, there we go. So we can put that to one side and you can throw away that old water. So now we're ready to make fresh coffee. So you're going to have L'OR pods here, and you're going to have two different sizes. So you've got single and double here. If you're using a single one, then you're just going to be putting 1 cup underneath. If you're using a double one here, then you can have like a double shot, or you can have 2 cups like this side by side, because we have 2 little spouts. So in the video, I'm going to show you both of them. Also, if you look closely, they're all numbered up the top. That's got nothing to do with what size they are. That's to do with the strength of the coffee. So if you like your coffees very mild, then you're going to be going for numbers 1, 2, 3. If you like a real dark roast, maybe a bit more bitter, you might be going for 13 or 11. So the scale goes from 1 to 13, 1 being mild and 13 being very strong. So if we want to have, for example, a middle of the range one, then we can go for this one here, which is 6. So what we do is we lift this bit up here, and we're going to put the pod in here. This will take 2 different sizes, the small one and the big one. So the small one fits in just there like so, and then we're going to close the lid. We're now going to get our cup underneath it like so. And it's up to you. Have a look at these ones here. We have 3 different buttons for 3 different sizes: small, medium and large, or ristretto, espresso and lungo. So it's up to you which one you want. So if you're wondering about sizes, well, the small one here will be approximately 25 milliliters on the small pod. This middle one will be approximately 40 milliliters, and this lungo one here, the bigger one, will be 110 milliliters. When you use the bigger pod, that will change. I'll tell you more about that later. So let's say if we want an espresso, I'm going to hit this middle button here, and you will see after a short amount of time, this will come through. Now there is a way to personalize this so you can have slightly more or slightly less coffee. We've done another video on that, but if you're just at an Airbnb, you're probably going to be quite happy with the default settings, how it's been designed by L'OR themselves. So there we go. Look how lovely that looks there. So that's a nice little single shot of espresso. If you wanted a double shot of espresso, you would be using a bigger pod like this, and also a slightly bigger glass to fit it in. Now, when we use a double pod, I'm going to show you, I think I'll show you 2 separate glasses rather than the 1 glass, but you get the idea. You can put the big one under there and you're going to get twice the amount. So let's put this to one side. I'm just going to pour this in here for the moment, have that later. Right. So you lift this up and the old pod will fall into here. I'll show you how to take it out in a minute. There we go, that's now gone. So now we're going to get this big one here and we're going to place it in. The machine knows, you don't have to dial anything in. The machine knows it's a bigger pod, and you're going to place this one down. And now the buttons at the back, it's the same thing. So with this here, it's going to be a 50 milliliter ristretto. With this one here, it's going to be an 80 milliliter espresso, and this is going to be a 220 milliliter lungo. So what we're going to do is again, I'm just going to press, no, I'll tell you what, to make it a bit different, let's do the ristretto one here, and you will see it will come out of both nozzles into 2 cups here. So press this one here. And it will give you an idea about the different sizes as well. So if you've got a friend over now, or you might want to make 2 at the same time, you can see how easy it is. And you can see the amount there is less than what we did before. So now, if you want to know how to empty the drip tray and how to get the empty capsules out, they're just in here. So with this one, you can lift this off. You can lift this off here, and you can give this a nice good wash out. And if you just push the whole thing out, you can see that this is where the empty pods are stored here, so they can be recycled. Also, have a look here, there's a lot of liquid in the bottom here, so you're going to empty that in the sink, give it a little wash out, and you're going to recycle these. So it's all very simple to use. Remember to fill up the water at the back. If you run out of water halfway through, the light will flash at you, but then it's a wasted pod. When you go to fill this up again, it takes it from the beginning, and your pod is now half used. Now, if something doesn't seem right, for example, you've pressed the lungo, but not much liquid, not much coffee is coming out, it could be because the previous person might have set up the personalization to have very little coming out. You can reset this to default very easily. Just hit 3 buttons at the same time. You will see once we press and hold them down, the lights will come on. Keep holding them down until they start flashing, then let go. That means then they've been reset. So watch this, press in now. You can see all 3 are on. Keep holding until they start flashing, and let go. And then they go off. Now it's back to factory default. So you should find that when you hit the lungo button, you will get a good amount of coffee out. So you can see how easy it is all to use. Now, if you were going to be in the Airbnb for a long time, you can clean it out. You can take this out, you can take that out, you can wash all this out here, you can actually take this out here. We have done a separate video on how to clean it, and you can lift up this and you can get a toothbrush and give it a nice good clean in there. But as far as using it, that is all nice and straightforward. And if you're wondering how to turn it off, well, it will automatically turn itself off after around 10 minutes. Obviously, if you're bothered, you can just unplug it from the mains, and then you know it's completely dead. So that is it. If you were unsure about how this works, hopefully you can now see how easy it is. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.